Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll look at one of the most fascinating innovations in modern farming, drones. Drones are changing the way we raise food, from soaring over enormous fields to transmitting real-time data. But what is the drone revolution all about? How are high-tech gadgets improving agriculture? In this video, we'll look at how drones are improving crop management, boosting yields, and making agriculture more efficient and sustainable than ever before. So, saddle in and prepare to learn about the cutting-edge technology that is reshaping the future of farming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Let's get into it. With a growing population, the world's demand for food is increasing significantly. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, the world needs to produce 70% more food by 2050 to meet the demands of the projected 9.2 billion people. Here, the role of agriculture in ensuring global food security and sustainable development cannot be overstated. Therefore, agriculture providers are now forced to rethink how they grow and manage crops. The use of drones in almost every sector of the economy is growing fast, but its usage in the agricultural industry has gained significant attention in recent years. So, let's have a look into the role of drones, how they brought a revolution in the field of agriculture. Firstly, the use of drones in agriculture industry provides large benefits by improving the environmental sustainability of agricultural operations through minimizing environmental damage from agriculture, for example, by reducing nitrate leaking, improving water use efficiency, and increasing fuel efficiency. In addition to precision agriculture applications, drones offer a wide range of promising ways to enhance the management of agricultural assets more broadly. They can improve the monitoring of livestock, fences, trees, and wildlife, and help farmers document their farms to improve their creditworthiness. Furthermore, precision agriculture offers enormous potential benefits for farmers. In order to be effective, precision agriculture needs a steady amount of data, and this is where drones come into play. Secondly, drones are bringing about a revolution in agriculture by enhancing productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. Drones with advanced sensors and imaging capabilities can map out field variability, assess soil conditions, and monitor crop health in farming methods. With the use of this information, tailored interventions like precise fertilizer and pesticide application are possible, which improves resource efficiency and lessens the impact on the environment. Drones also monitor plant development, assess crop damage after natural catastrophes, and even help with planting and harvesting by offering in-depth information on crop health and field conditions. Drones assist farmers in making data-driven decisions, which eventually boosts agricultural sustainability and output. More and more agriculture providers are using drones to monitor crops and collect data. Drones can observe large volumes of land and give farmers the useful insights they need in order to navigate changing environmental conditions and maximize output. Another most critical uses of drones in agriculture is its flexibility to move around in swift motions and maneuver to the destined locations. This ability of drones helps spray fertilizers and insecticides to nurture crops and provide them with the needed nutrients. Such reinforcements allow crops to be healthy and flourishing. Additionally, drones can be used to apply precision fertilizers and pesticides, reducing environmental impact and increasing profitability. The drone operators are free to monitor the drone spraying fertilizers that keep insects, pests, and worms away and increase crop life longevity. Drone-based crop monitoring and management enhance farm productivity and profitability. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and GPS, drones are capable to capture high-resolution images and gather data on crop health, growth, and development, thus enabling farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilizer application, and pesticide use. Drones can also be used for precision planting, pruning, and harvesting, increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. Another crucial role of drones in agriculture is that by conducting aerial surveys, they enable farmers to detect issues earlier, reducing the need for costly manual inspections. This leads to timely and targeted interventions, minimizing crop damage and reducing waste. Additionally, drones can automate tasks such as crop insurance assessments, reducing paperwork and associated costs. According to a study, using drones for crop monitoring can result in cost savings of up to 80% compared to traditional manual methods. Important to know that the use of drones promotes sustainability and reduces environmental impact. Drones are equipped with sensors and cameras and efficiently monitor soil health, detect crop stress, and identify areas of water stress, enabling farmers to make data-driven decisions and optimize resource allocation. This approach reduces the need for costly and carbon-intensive soil testing and crop monitoring methods, thereby decreasing environmental impact. Additionally, the dispersal of seeds by drones, a revolutionary technique in modern agriculture, involves using unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to scatter seeds over a large area. This innovative approach offers numerous benefits, including increased precision, reduced labor costs, and improved seed distribution. Drones can dispense seeds in hard-to-reach or remote areas, promoting more efficient and sustainable farming practices. Additionally, this method enables farmers to monitor soil conditions, track seed dispersion, and adjust sowing patterns for optimal crop growth. Overall, drone-assisted seed dispersal is a game-changer in modern agriculture. Drones disperse seeds and pesticides more efficiently, reducing waste and minimizing harm to non-target species. Adding more, drones have revolutionized agriculture by providing efficient resource management solutions. Sensors and cameras fitted in drones enable farmers to monitor and manage their crops more effectively. Drones can detect issues such as pest infestations, soil moisture levels, and crop stress, allowing farmers to take targeted action to optimize yields and reduce waste. Drones offer a valuable tool for farmers to optimize their operations and maximize resource efficiency. Through advanced imaging technologies like hyperspectral, thermal, and multispectral imagery, drones can identify problem areas before they become visible to the naked eye. Early detection of diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies enables targeted intervention, preventing widespread crop damage and loss. Likewise, enhanced data collection by drones, with the help of their advanced sensors and cameras, gather precise and high-resolution data about crops, soil, and weather conditions. This technology enables farmers to make informed decisions about planting, irrigation, and harvesting, leading to increased yields, reduced costs, and improved crop quality. Drones can also detect early signs of pests and diseases, allowing for timely and targeted interventions to protect crops. So, with the ability to monitor vast areas quickly and accurately, drones are revolutionizing the way farmers approach pest and disease management, ultimately contributing to a more sustainable food supply chain. The use of drones for data collection is gaining popularity in modern agriculture, revolutionizing the way farmers work and make decisions. Finally, the introduction of drones in agriculture represents a significant transition in existing farming operations. These high-tech instruments improve precision, efficiency, and sustainability in a variety of agricultural activities. Drones enable farmers to make educated decisions about crop yields and waste reduction by allowing for real-time monitoring, targeted resource application, and extensive data collecting. As technology advances, the use of drones in agriculture promises to further change the sector, pushing innovation and ushering in a new era of smart farming that solves the concerns of food security and environmental stewardship. The continued innovation and use of drone technology will most likely be a cornerstone in creating the future of global agriculture, emphasizing its critical role in fulfilling the demands of a growing population while conserving our planet's resources. Wait for our next interesting and informative video. Thank you.